My name is Goh Yihan. I'm the Dean of the SMU School of Law.
My name is Gary Chan. I'm currently a Professor of Law at the School of Law, Singapore Management University.
The SMU School of Law strives to be a school that anticipates change in a world that is rapidly evolving. But perhaps most importantly, it strives to be a law school that keeps the moral imperatives of the law central to its mission. The School of Law has many different research areas, but we tend to focus on just 3 of them.
The first area is on law and technology. The second area we want to focus on is transnational commercial law in Asia, Asian focus. And the third one is on dispute resolution. Right? But surrounding these 3 research focus areas, we will also have 9 research clusters.
In relation to the law and technology, we recognize that the legal profession is being changed rapidly by technology, the governance issues arising from artificial intelligence.
And we have done that with the setting up of the Center for AI and Data Governance. And that's where we have been conducting research relating to ethical, legal, as well as policy aspects.
In this field also, we are looking into intellectual property. And so we have an IP center that we call ARCIALA, that runs conferences and seminars in this very important space. I turn next to commercial law. Here we have the Center for Cross-Border Commercial Law in Asia. Its aim is really to promote SMU School of Law as a thought leader in the important space of cross-border commercial law. Then, of course, we have the dispute resolution space, which is becoming increasingly important as Singapore aims to establish itself as an international dispute resolution hub. So here we have the Singapore International Dispute Resolution Academy, or SIDRA for short, to conduct research in this space. We have made it a point to ask our academics not only to publish in research-centered journals, but also to establish meaningful collaborations with industry. The academics' work is enhanced by these partnerships because industry can tell us, can share with us what some of the real-life problems are that need resolution in this time and age.
Some of our faculty members are appointed as amicus curiae, or friends of the court. So they make submissions before the court on complex legal issues to help the court decide on particular legal matters. Some of our colleagues are actually appointed as foreign expert witnesses, and they appear before the foreign courts. And finally, I would say that quite a number of faculty are also involved in contributing op-eds in newspapers and the mass media, and also fielding questions during interviews on the policy as well as legal issues.
In terms of how SOL research deals with navigating boundaries and borders which are brought about by an increasingly interconnected commercial world, our Center for Cross-Border Commercial Law in Asia, or CEBCLA for short, has organized many conferences that deal with these issues. In terms of virtual boundaries, our Center for AI and Data Governance is bringing together experts to discuss, for example, data protection regulations across boundaries that takes place both in the physical and virtual realms.
We aim for our research to be both meaningful and impactful. We also like to focus not just on academic scholarship, which is of course very important, but also policy-oriented research, which may find expression in government policy papers and in future maybe in the laws.
It is important to us that our research is not only academic rigorous, that's a given, but also practical and also responsive to real-life questions so as to make meaningful impact in this time and age.